Hey everyone, welcome back to Newegg TV. My name is Paul, and today we're bringing you guys another build video. So today I have a special guest. This is Gabe. Hi Gabe.
How's it going, Paul? How's it going, Newegg TV?
Yeah, we're doing pretty good. Hope you guys are doing well too. And Gabe has asked us to help him build a new computer. And Gabe, why do you want a new computer?
Well, it's been a while since I've had a new build. The last time I had a new computer was for Fear.
Oh.
That came out, I don't know, it's been a while, maybe like 6 years or something.
I don't know what Fear, it was a while back.
Yeah, it was a while back.
Yeah.
But my new reason for building a new computer
is, it's that one right there.
Diablo III.
That's 3 good reasons right there. So that's what we're doing today. But in case you guys are wondering, Gabe has been on a Newegg TV video before. We did a photography 101 video back in the day. And Gabe is actually in charge of the photo team here at Newegg.com. So if you guys see all of the awesome pictures that we have on our website of all the products that we sell, Gabe took all those pictures himself.
Well, it's kind of tough to do, Paul, but I do have a great team that helps me out with all the images I take.
Okay, so Gabe and his team. But Gabe, yes, like, he looks at each one and makes sure it's good to go, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, for the most part. Well, thank you, Gabe, and your team for all the awesome pictures you have on Newegg.com. And that being said, I know what I wanted to say. This is not necessarily a sponsored build. This is all Gabe's build, so he actually purchased all these parts that we have here in front of us, and he's going to be taking this build home at the end of the day to play Diablo III as well as I'm sure other video games too. So that being said, let's go over the parts. These are being listed in no particular order, so starting off here on the right we have our power supply. This is a Rosewill Hive gaming power supply. It's 80 plus bronze, so there's our power for the entire system. Right here is the part of the main event, which is going to be our processor. It's a new Ivy Bridge 3rd generation core processor, i5-3570K. It's unlocked. It's got PCI Express Gen 3. It's going to be an awesome processor. We also have the Patriot memory here, the G2 series. This is 600 speed memory, DDR3 of course. It's a 2x4 gig kit, so we can make use of the dual channel capabilities of the motherboard. We also have an ASUS DVD burner down here at the bottom. We also have a storage drive, a mechanical drive here for storage. It's a 1 terabyte Seagate Barracuda, 7200 RPM. We also have an SSD. This is a Crucial M4, and Gabe went with the 128 gig version. We also have the CPU cooler, since we want to do a little overclocking most likely. So we have the Hyper 212 Evo, very popular and effective cooler. We also have a motherboard, and this is the AsRock Z77 Extreme 4 motherboard. So it's got the new chipset for the 1155 socket and the Ivy Bridge processor, so we can make use of some of the new features of that. Moving right along, we have the video card, and this is just released, the GeForce GTX 670 by NVIDIA. This is Gigabyte's version. It's the Windforce special version with the custom cooler, and it's overclocked and it stays really cool, and this is a really good card. I've already done some testing with it. And then finally we have Gabe's case, which is the Cooler Master Half XM mid-tower case. It's kind of like the smaller version of the Half X, very popular case. This is an awesome one. And that is pretty much all of our hardware. And Gabe, do you have the proper equipment for the job here?
I think I do, Paul. I'm ready to go.
Screwdriver, we're good to go. Let's start building. right, Gabe, I think we're all set.
All right, we're ready to go.
Let's give the folks a look at our handiwork. There she is.
How's that looking there?
I think it looks pretty nice. So you can see there's our got our half. I'm sorry. Yes, this is our half XM case. You can see our Hyper 212 Evo. It's installed there on the motherboard. Memory's installed. We got the video card all set up. Cable management's looking nice and tight.
Nice and clean.
We are ready for the moment of truth. All right, Gabe. Power supply is plugged in and switched on. You ready?
Moment of truth?
Moment of truth. Well, fans are spinning up. That's a good sign.
We got power and LEDs.
Nothing's on fire.
So far, nothing's smoking.
Hey, there's our AsRock. Oh, it's booting Windows.
What?
Oh, there might be Windows installed on that SSD. Oh my gosh, did you see how fast that booted?
Damn.
Oh my gosh, did you see how fast that booted? Damn.
So, to explain to you guys what just happened, Gabe ordered his M4 SSD for this build. It actually has not arrived yet. So what we're using right now is my M4 from my test bed over there. So this is why it already has Windows loaded, but it's still booted up super fast. So the system appears to be working. That is good. Everything seems good to go. So what we're going to do is get Gabe's SSD, do a Windows installation on that, and get him set up with Diablo 3. But I think that is going to wrap it up for this video. We'd like to thank all of you for watching. Oh, I did want to mention one other thing. If you guys do want to put together a system and you're gonna base it off of the specs for use for this particular build, the only thing that didn't come with all of the boxes and packaging that we used was about 2 or 3 extra serial ATA cables. So bear that in mind. You might need to grab those.
Yeah.
Just
We're missing a couple of those.
Complete the whole build. We need those especially to hook up his hot swap dock bays right there on the front. Anyway, so there's our Diablo 3 build, Gabe's Diablo 3 build. And I hope it brings you many, many hours of gaming pleasure.
Looking forward to slashing some demons with my barb.
Gabe's rolling a barb. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so thanks a lot for watching, everyone. We'll see you all next time on Newegg TV.